What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got another vlog. This one's gonna be real excited. Maybe not for you, but for me, definitely. I can't even tell y'all we made it because we kind of late. I'm 20 minutes late. We're supposed to be out here by New Jersey Motorsports Park. We're gonna go ahead and get some footage and be taking a M340 on the track for the first time. So it's gonna be exciting. I charged up all the cameras, the GoPros and all of that. Got to figure out mountain spots, and yeah, we're gonna get on with it. But super excited. The car is not really track built at all. It's just my daily driver, and yeah, we're gonna take it on the track and see how I do. You know, it's funny because when I was selecting, you have 3 different modes. You have novice, intermediate, and advanced. I wanted to go straight for like the intermediate or the advanced, so I clicked on it. However, you need to provide proof that you are actually like what you say you are. I had no proof because this is my first time, so ain't no bluffing. Oh, I think I didn't pass it. GPS told me to. I'm late. It's not a good sign. I don't see anybody in here past me. Uh-oh, here we go. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
What is the black flag?
That means you have to come in.
Oh.
Black flag means you have to come in, yeah.
Okay, so what's up with the...
I don't know, but if you see black flag, you have to come in right away.
No, that means you go to pit road.
Oh, pit road?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to pull in over?
Yeah, I'll speak to them.
Sunroof.
Oh shit.
That's why we black flagged you.
Oh, sorry about that. So do I go back out or no? What?
There's still a little bit. That Lexus is ridiculous.
Yeah.
We'll put you out at the end of the pack.
All right, cool, no problem.
Yep.
I'm just gonna put you at the end of the pack, okay?
All right, cool.
Cool, man.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Yeah, all right, go.
All right, thanks, man.
Yep, just get behind this BMW, this guy right here, okay?
The BMW?
Yep, this one right here, go.
Okay. Come on, M5! Come on, baby! Gotta get some more space. Come on, M5! Come on, baby! These things definitely cool down, boy. You can see it literally chews through these tires. Gotta get down in here. The backs for some reason don't look as bad as the fronts. Backs don't look like they took as much of a beating. You can tell they definitely got warm. Don't know where this goes. Oh, yo. Maybe Ryan was right. Maybe the piece did come off my car. We had like a lunch break point. It's hard to talk and like learn at the same time. Once again, this is my first time. I'm tired, yo. I am tired. We still got 2 more sessions to go. 2 20-minute sessions, so I should be up in a little bit. But one thing I will tell you about this is it takes a lot of skill. Learn is the main thing. I had to pull over in the pit because my sunroof was open. I didn't realize it was cracked. They were waving a black flag at me. I'm thinking I'm too close, so I started slowing down and don't know what they were doing. So yeah, I had to pull over. But it's fun. It's just exhausting. Bring a lot of water. The car is phenomenal. I wouldn't expect this from a sub M car like M340. I would not expect this at all. It drives really good. But now it kind of screws me up because I really don't know what to get next. I have no clue as to what to get next as far as car wise. I've been looking all over the place, man. I don't know. Let's give it some juice. Yeah, baby. Break. Go. Woo! Just like that, we out of here. Made it. Successful first track day. Not gonna be back for about another 3 hours, so I'll go eat and sleep because y'all already know what happened. I gotta go to work early in the morning. So have fun. Car didn't throw any crazy drivetrain malfunctions or anything. I did get one hiccup. I'm not sure what it had to do with, but the car just wasn't making full boost. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that, which was odd because it made around 300 if you look at the scale thing. And 300 was perfect for the track. Like stock power is perfect for this track. I'm on pump 93 right now, so we'll dial it and see what's going on with that. You know, driving around the track and everything like that. There was an F10 M5 there too, but driving around the track and stuff, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. I don't like it more than hooning around like back roads with your buddies and stuff. But I like it. I like it better than autocross. I like it better than like drag racing, stuff like that. Drag racing for me is just all in the launch, really. Like once I try to, like, the fun is mastering the launch, you know what I mean? Like maybe next time I can get this, maybe next time I can get that, or chasing a number. That's kind of what drag racing. The actual doing it, nah, not really into it that much. Like, I mean, it's just hitting the gas and going. This requires a lot more thinking, not really more so speed, but like braking, cornering, the whole nine. So I like it.